Move on to grab bars. As you know, grab bars that we've been going over are very important in terms of stability, transferring, standing up, sitting down. Grab bars are a very important feature of accessibility in a bathroom. A lot of times, the people that I work with though would say, I don't want my house to look like a hospital. So they in grab bars, a lot of times, when they see that, they think it's just a hospital. But if you go on the market right now, there's a whole lot of different grab bars available that look designer or don't even look like grab bars at all. Um, so here are a few different examples of that, how grab bars can still be functional but also look very stylish at the same time. Like this one here, this one is a grab bar. It's just the ring part is something you can hold on to, but it also doubles as a soap dish as well. So it's very decorative but very functional. Same thing here with being a toilet paper holder and toilet paper storage. This big loop here functions as a grab bar, but it doesn't look obvious that it's a grab bar. These two right here are functioning in the shower. They function as soap holders or shower caddies, but they are something that you can hold on to. They're again, make sure they're mounted very strongly, but they are something that can function as grab bars to hold on to, and will be able to carry a lot of weight. This one, it's pretty obvious that it's a grab bar, but with the wood um, material and the hardware here, it looks a little bit more has some more earth tones to it. Looks a little bit more stylish. This one here, pretty playful with the translucence and then the decorations inside. So this is again a grab bar, but it looks very pretty. This one has a little bit more of a curve to it, which has some advantages and disadvantages. But again, grab bar, but looks pretty stylish. These two here are pretty neat because what they do is they light up at night. Uh, that can be very helpful if you're looking for maybe you can even have a grab bar that's in the hallway or the path of travel, so it kind of lights up that path of travel, and then you can also see where the grab bar is. Because especially for people who are older, as we age, the contrast that we can see uh, becomes harder and harder to notice. So having a little bit more light is very helpful. So, a quick review and recommendations for grab bars. Make sure you always want to mount grab bars to studs, uh, wood backing, or appropriate wall anchors. They do make some. So if you're in an area where you know there's not too many wall studs back there, and you don't want to take out the whole wall to put in blocking, the other option is they make specialized wall anchors for grab bars. You just want to make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure that your drywall is sturdy enough or meets the requirements for those wall anchors. But how they work is you put them through the wall, that they spring open, and that kind of helps. And then you put a screw in, it tightens up against the wall, and that creates a very strong foundation. So that is another option in case you can't screw the grab bars into wall studs or wood backing. But wood backing, and if you don't know, wood backing are boards that are installed between the wall studs. Grab ball wall anchors they can hold solidly and safely when they are properly installed. Fiberglass shower surrounds that come away from the wall. So there's a lot of shower surrounds that they come about an inch away from the wall, so there's a little bit of a void in between the shower surround surface and the wall stud. So in order to put grab bars in those showers, you have to fill up that gap. And one way to do that, you can get a piece of cut your hole, get a piece of wood blocking, screw that to the wall stud, and then you have that gap filled. They also make products that are specially made for this as well. But so you can put a grab bar in these showers, but it takes a little bit of extra work to make sure you fill that gap and void. Grab bars with a textured surface, I would recommend those because they give you a little bit extra grip. And new products, they act like grab bars, but they don't look like a traditional grab bar if you want your area to have a little bit more design and style to it. Use extreme caution with suction cup grab bars. Um, they should be used for stability and not for weight bearing. They just you just can't guarantee that they're going to keep that suction all the time. Um, I've seen some use and then they'll, especially in a shower, if they haven't the suction cup has been there for a while, it's going to lose its suction a little bit over time, and somebody's trying to use it, while bearing your weight on it, it could slip, and then you have a really bad situation. So use extreme caution when using the suction cup grab bars.